Hello, I'm Jane Caro, and I'm delighted to be supporting WestWords and their Voices Unbound campaign. I always love working with WestWords. What a great organisation they are. WestWords has given itself a mission to give more power to the voices of those who often go unheard. They believe in the power of storytelling and the importance of nurturing new voices, particularly perhaps from parts of Sydney and Australia that don't get nurtured as much as other parts. Western Sydney, for example, is packed. I mean, it's the most populated area of Sydney. So of course it's packed with talent. It's packed with people who have so many things to tell, so many different experiences to relate, so many different sets of circumstances, backgrounds and ideas that to some extent we miss out on. And that's why supporting WestWords is so important. Please donate to their Voices Unbound campaign. You're investing in the next generation of Australian authors and writers, and you're celebrating the richness of Western Sydney, which we're the poorer for not hearing more about. And your donation can make a real difference. Just $50 can provide essential resources for aspiring writers. $150 can support mentoring sessions or contribute to publications of anthologies. And a generous donation of $500 can provide part scholarships for writing retreats or sponsor public readings and literary events that, can elevate emerging writers. And please, if you want to give more than $500, feel free. Join me in supporting WestWords Voices Unbound campaign. Together, let's amplify the voices of emerging writers and help shape the future of Australian literature. Donate today and be part of this new story of these writers.